Samsung Notes versus OneNote. Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore both options to see which one suits your needs. Samsung Notes and OneNote are popular note-taking applications, each offering unique features. The core difference lies in their integration with ecosystems. Samsung Notes is tailored for Samsung devices, while OneNote is designed for seamless use across various platforms. Samsung Notes is a versatile note-taking app designed primarily for Samsung device users. It allows you to create handwritten notes, sketches, and voice memos. The app supports various file types, making it easy to integrate images and documents into your notes. One of its strengths is its intuitive interface, which is user-friendly and allows for quick access to tools. Samsung Notes also offers synchronization across Samsung devices, ensuring your notes are always up to date. However, its limitations include a lack of cross-platform functionality, making it less ideal for users who switch between different operating systems. Samsung Notes is perfect for individuals who are deeply embedded in the Samsung ecosystem and prefer a straightforward note-taking experience. OneNote is a robust note-taking application from Microsoft designed for users who need flexibility across multiple devices. It allows users to create text-based notes, sketches, and even audio recordings. One of its key strengths is its organizational structure, which uses notebooks, sections, and pages for easy navigation. Additionally, OneNote supports collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on notes simultaneously. A notable limitation is its slightly steeper learning curve compared to simpler apps, which may deter some users. However, its integration with other Microsoft Office applications makes it a powerful tool for those already using services like Word or Excel. OneNote is ideal for students, professionals, and anyone looking for a comprehensive note-taking solution that works across various platforms. When comparing Samsung Notes and OneNote, consider your usage scenarios. Samsung Notes excels in simplicity and is perfect for quick, handwritten notes or sketches, especially for Samsung device users. Imagine jotting down ideas during a meeting or class effortlessly. On the other hand, OneNote shines in collaborative environments. Picture a team project where multiple members can contribute notes in real time, all while organizing information effectively. The trade-off lies in platform compatibility. Samsung Notes is limited to Samsung devices, while OneNote is accessible on various platforms, including Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. Choose Samsung Notes for quick personal notes or OneNote for a more comprehensive collaborative approach. If you are a Samsung device user looking for a simple and efficient note-taking app, Samsung Notes is the clear choice. For those needing a flexible cross-platform solution with collaboration features, OneNote is highly recommended. Both apps have their strengths, so choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and note-taking needs. Happy note-taking!